Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamer channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Threads. So guys, for that you have to download Threads app on your Play Store. And after downloading, just tap on open. Now continue and tap on with your Instagram. Now on the next step, you can see your name, bio and link here. You can change of this if you want, or you can also skip it. And then you need to choose whether you want to public or private profile. So I am selecting public profile. And after selecting, just tap on continue. And after read all this information, just tap on join Threads. And that's it, and that's how you can sign up for Threads very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.